you for joining into our interview and giving the opportunity and sparing your time on this holiday. And we are really appreciate it. So, so the first question I'd like to ask you is, what's your name is and what role do you currently hold in your position? How long have you had?
Thank you for the opportunity for me to share my experience to you. So you can call me Mom Naychhiv. So everyone call me Mom Naychhiv here. So my name is Naychhiv. And currently I am General Manager for Orkin, Cambodia. I have been here for the past 9 months.
So you've been experienced in this field for at least 20 years, and you have been working. Wow, that's actually a lot, and it's longer than anyone that I have known when I talk with a lot of other people. That's a long time. So what inspired you to pursue this field? And how long have you been in this field?
Actually, the truth is that everyone needs to have a job for their to make a living, for sure. So at the beginning, job is about making income and also doing what you like. Yes, but for the past 5 years, I would say, job is not really income earner for me. It's more of a passion of giving back. As you know, I have been leading one of the global company called Cambodia for the past 11 years, and the reason that I'm here with Orkin is that I'm looking for ways in order to contribute especially to Cambodia. So I'm here to, I would say, happy to improve or bringing Orkin to the next level as per international standard.
Okay, so for our first question for the interview is that, so looking back, and what an experience that shaped your growth as a leader that you have gained and developed?
So used to tell the team, and actually when we have to define the word leader, so leadership are very different. If you have 1 or 2 person working under you or following you, you can be called a leader. But once you progress further to your career, you need to possess leadership. So anybody can be a leader, but not everyone can be a leadership. So then what shaped me to where I am today? So one of the most important criteria is navigating team, complexity of the team. So I have experience working with different type of team member, male, female, old, young, and also multi-regional. So when you are able to navigate your team and different complexity of the team, it helps you grow as a leader. So you understand more. You understand how to work with different type of people, with different type of perception, with different type of culture. That what can shape you.
What strategy do you use to keep your team engaged and motivated as a leader?
So actually, when you are a leadership and you have strong IQ, you will have the ability to inspire others. So it doesn't mean you only have the skill in order to do the work, but you have the ability to inspire people to follow their dream, to follow their passion, to follow the progress of their work. So one of the key that I think the leadership should have in order to motivate a team is the strong communication skill. So if you have a good communication skill, I think whatever mission, whatever task that you have for your team can be achieved if your leader can communicate to the team effectively. And also in the communication, as a leader, if you want the team to be motivated, you have to be very open-minded, accept, listen actively, and fostering the environment that the team are willing in order to share, because you value their input. So this is very important. If you want them to be motivated, to be full of energy working with you, then you need to show them that you value their idea, you value their input. But you don't say, I value your input. You create a culture that they make them feel comfortable in order to express their idea to you. And this way, the team will be very motivated And trust me, this is what I always talk to the team. Everybody have their own potential. That's why when I see you and ask you how old you are, 21 and 2, you don't know who you can be in the near future. You have great potential. So if you are with the right leader, they can cultivate the potential out of you. They can see your strength, your weakness, and they can push you to the right direction. So I would say to keep the team engaged again, to keep the team engaged, to keep the team motivated.
So how do you evaluate success in like leadership? Like how do you see it, and both personally and like professionally?
Your only definition of success is when your team is successful. So if you are running the company and you success alone, you're making a lot of money, but your team is going nowhere, having no skill, running around without any purpose, then you can be success in dealing with business deal, but you cannot possess the leadership skill.
That is all for our question and interview, and I would like to say thank you, Miss, for the opportunity that you gave us and sparing your time for this interview, and we appreciate you giving us an opportunity and valuable lesson for us and our audience as well. So yes, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity for me to give back to society. I hope what I can share can inspire you, and once time when you step up into the working world, the tip that I share you can remind you and alert you, can be a tip for you to carry on throughout your career.
I will gladly remember and will use it in the future and near.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.